Hi Michelle. So I have the 5 books that I chose for this week. The first one here, The Watermelon Seed. I chose this book just offhand, but what I loved about it was I love the pictures in here. And though it seems like really simple and there isn't like a whole lot of words, I feel like just the big drawings and the art here just seems like really engaging and fun for young kids. I could see, especially like the whole watermelon seed swallowing it, that's something kids always ask. So I think it's just like a fun, engaging, simple book that young children would really like. A big alligator. It's just like, it's really eye-catching. All the pages in here that I think young kids really enjoy to read, which is why I think, it has the Jun10-16 award here. Next book I chose was Interrupting Chicken, which is the Caldecott Honor book. I really liked this book. It was so fun. I really liked the paintings in it. It's like really in depth almost, but sort of abstract a little bit, that like is engaging for kids, and just the whole storyline of the interrupting chicken at bedtime, which I think a lot of kids, young kids, kindergarten class, I could see you incorporate this into that because it's relatable. But yeah, just all the art I could see in here of kids staring at this book for hours. Or just like a good one for them just to look at. Plenty of pictures. It's not too wordy, but when there's a storyline with more words in it, it's nice to have more involved pictures for them to look at. And of course, the bright colors of the rooster. So yeah, that was a good one. And then this one here, Hello Goodbye Window, which is another Caldecott Medal Award book. I liked this one. Was another one I chose because it had just like the art is more abstract, and I liked how the it's almost like the drawings and stuff are like relatable to kids' drawings. They're not professional, and there's not like a distinct, I feel like it's more like multicultural, because it's not, like your standard traditional. It's just a lot of colors, which makes it inviting and engaging, but you can tell like just like different things about it that, kids, looks like something, all the pictures look like something like a kids would draw, which I think that's fun to have that in a book. And, expresses more stuff about it. So yeah, this one was a good one. I really like the pictures, and it's like big too. So the kids I could definitely see them wanting to even look at this book and be entertained. Another one I have is Bubble Trouble. This one I thought was just a cute book. There's like a cute little storyline that goes along with the pictures of the baby being stuck in the bubble as the mom's getting ready and everything, and the whole journey that the little bubble takes and the people on it. But this one again, I could see, like incorporated into a kindergarten class for a fun read, preschool. I also just like the size of the pictures and stuff are good. Because like reading out loud, that can always be a problem of everyone seeing the picture. But yet they're simple too. Like there's not like a whole lot going on, so it doesn't get too busy. But it still has a cute little pictures and messages. And then lastly, I chose this one because I think it's a good book in general, just because like, the pictures are simple, and the art's, like, not too, it doesn't seem too, like, you know, fancy, but the storyline, I liked it because, you know, just the little girl, that, you know, it's, like, super on, like, conventional of, like, normal. It gives a more relatable story to, like, a lot of kids, what they experience just with going in between two homes. You know, the little girl is named Fred, and, you know, normally you wouldn't think all your lead characters would be named Fred, but, like, the pictures are simple, which I think makes the story a little bit more engaging. You don't get too caught up in it all, but you still remember and hear the story, which is why I was really drawn to this book. And I could see it being read just because, like, yeah, it has a cute message, and the pictures are good for, like, kids. And I think it's just, like, a memorable book between, like, the dog and going in between mom and dad's house. Because that's a lot of standard homes and what the kids experience this day. So, yeah, I liked this book. Just, like, you know, it might seem like there's a lot of white pages and not as much art, but the pictures are simple, and I think that makes a big difference. So Fred Stays With Me is that book. Yeah, I enjoyed these books this week, and I'm looking forward to next week.